Good morning everyone. This is your English language period, English 2 period. So students, what will we do today? We will do essay of Diwali. So everyone take out your English 2 copy and start writing. Student, yesterday you have done the binomial. I hope you all learned these binomial words. Today we will write the essay in our fair copy. So everyone take out your English 2 copy and write down date. Today's date is 25.9.20 means 25th September 2020. Then you write the quotation. A quotation is respect your elders. Again draw the blue pencil line. Then you write essay. ESSAY, essay. Again draw the blue pencil line. Then write the name of the essay, Diwali. Student, in the essay we have write some lines about the topic which have given to us. So today's topic is Diwali. So we write something of Diwali. Diwali is the festival. You know very well, we celebrate Diwali. So you write Diwali, then again write the blue pencil line and then you make the picture. I make this type of picture if you are able to make it, otherwise you have to paste it. If you make, then you color also. You have to color this picture also. Let's start writing. Number 1. Diwali is one of the main festival of Hindus. Student, first of all, you have to listen carefully the spellings and write it in your copy very neat and clean handwriting. And write the spelling correctly. DIWALI. 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 Festival. 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 Hindus. 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 So Diwali is the main festival of Hindus. We celebrate Diwali with great joy. Okay. Muslims celebrates Eid. Christians celebrate Christmas, and Hindus celebrate Diwali and Holi, Dussehra. Number 2. It is celebrated in the month of October or March. Student, Diwali falls on the month of October and November. Sometimes it comes on November and sometimes it comes on October. Student, you know, in this year we celebrate Diwali. When we celebrate Diwali? Yes, we celebrate Diwali on November month. In this year we celebrate Diwali on November. Okay. So it may be come on October or November, both. Student, you know, in this festival we blow candles, diyas. So it is also called the festival of light. So it is also called, third point is, it is also called the festival of lights, because everywhere we celebrate, when we celebrate Diwali, every house is decorated with jhalars, diyas and candles. Number 4. Leave one line from each point. Okay. On this day, student, can you tell me why we celebrate Diwali? Because Shri Ramchandra came back Ayodhya on this day after killing the Ravan. Okay. On that day, when Ramachandra killed Ravan, we celebrate as a Dussehra. And when they came back Ayodhya in his kingdom, in his home. So everyone was happy because Ramchand came back Ayodhya. So everyone celebrate this festival. Number 4 point is, on this day Sri Ram returned, spelling of returned, R-E-T-U-R-N-E-D, returned, Ayodhya, A-Y-O-D-H-A-Y-A, Ayodhya after the 14, F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N, 14 years, Y-E-A-R, years, exile means vanvas, E-X-I-L-E, exile means vanvas. So on this day Sri Ram returned to Ayodhya after the 14 years of exile. Student, today we will do only 4 lines. Rest of the lines we will continue on the tomorrow. Okay, so do this work, very neat and clean handwriting. Student, celebrated, spelling of celebrated is C-E-L-E-B-R-A-T-E-D, celebrated. Okay, now read 4 lines, learn 4 lines and write it in very neat and clean handwriting.